Hi there. So in this video we are going to see how to create a function in TypeScript. So make sure that you have TypeScript installed, open command prompt and type in tsc-v to check which version you have installed. In my case it is 2.1.5, but the code should work for previous or current version as well. Okay, so next thing is open your code editor, create one boilerplate HTML that links to one of the JS file which gets compiled after we compile demo or whatever the name you choose .ts file. Okay, so we need to work on these two files. One is TypeScript file and another is HTML file. So demo1.typescript is the file in which we are going to create the function. Okay, so first thing, we are going to create function that will simply just output some message on screen. So we type in function, then let's name it test, and inside curly braces we are going to write document dot write, and here I put the message function created. Okay, and this is how we define the function. Then next is usage of function. So we have to call this in order for document.write to be printed on our HTML page. Okay, so let's check out how it works. Now let me use TypeScript compiler, then point to demo1.ts. If it returns with blank prompt, then we can use the JS file compiled and link it in our HTML code. Okay, inside body tag I have linked to demo1.js. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open that HTML file, refresh the page, and I get the message function created, exactly the way we wanted this function to work. Now one more thing I want to show you is how to create parameterized function. Okay, so let's create this function and let me add two parameters, n1 and 2. Okay, and here I want to write document dot write and n1 function, and here I'm going to put value for n1. Okay, now I'm going to use document.write and then I'm going to use break, then I'm going to use n2 function, or you can say n2 variable. Okay, so let me just replace with this two and we're done. Okay, now in our test you will find that it shows a red line and gives the message that supplied parameters do not match any signature of call target. So now that our function is parameterized, we cannot have blank or default function as is. We have to pass some parameters. So let's say I passed value of 20 and then a string value as test parameter. Okay, then our document.write should give us the output with this text. So n1 variable value, and then we get 20, and to variable value, then we get test parameter as our string text. Okay, now let me open command prompt, then compile this into JS file. And here, as you can see, we already linked to demo1.js. All we have to do is refresh this page. And as you can see, it shows n1 variable value 20 and 2 variable value test parameter. So we can pass value in a string or in number. Okay, so I've shown you how to define your function, then how to call that function, and also showed you how to use parameterized function. So this was a short demo on how to work with function in TypeScript.